Hey guys, it's Tim Verdouw here, and today I'm here with Rahim and Dr. Amit Parekh, and we have something amazing for you today. We're super excited that you're here. Sorry for the few minutes that you had to wait, but we're here now. We're 100% live, so if you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below. And we got something amazing for you. You're already being prepared a lot at the beginning. You've already seen the sign up page. It's all about QuickFunnel and how to create a six-figure funnel that pays you daily as soon as today, even if you've never made a single sale before. So what I like to do is to hand it over to Rahim. Maybe Rahim, you can check if everyone can hear us, and yeah, you can take it over from here.
Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this amazing session. If everybody else can mute, the staff and the team and whatnot. As you heard, we have Tim, man, the myth, the legend himself, live with us. Dr. Meets in the house, and we're here to provide you with an epic training, first and foremost, followed up by an amazing software that we're going to demo. And that's exactly the order in which this live session is going to happen. We're first going to cover some amazing training on how to crush it with building funnels. And then afterwards, we're going to show you the amazing software to make it extremely easy for you. So without further ado, once again, let me know in the chat box you can hear me, and then we're going to get this party started. I see Dean saying audio and video are good. I'm ready to buy the bubble right now. Awesome. Guys, send that man the link. He's ready. Or her. Hey, it's David from Houston. Awesome. Welcome, guys. All right. So you heard it before, how to create a six-figure funnel that pays you daily as soon as today, even if you never made a single dime before. Now, the only thing standing between you and your goals right now is having a profitable funnel with traffic going in and money coming out. Literally everybody, Tim, Dr. Amin, and any other person you look up to in the industry, this is what they have. They have a profitable funnel online, whether they're sleeping, whether they're outside, or whether they're working or doing whatever they want to do. There's a funnel on the interwebs that has traffic coming in and money coming out on the other end. If that's something that's lacking on your end right now, then I'm extra excited that you're here, because we're going to fix that today. Now, the best part about everything that I'm going to show you here today is that it's without having any marketing experience or needing prior marketing experience, without starving to find clients and leads, and without spending weeks of learning. It's so easy, you can apply it the same day. So I'm going to be brutally honest throughout this entire session as usual. I know you want to climb the mountain of success and show everybody that you made it happen. And perhaps right now you're in the midst of that climb and there's something holding you back. You're attending the trainings, you're buying the products, you're doing whatever you're supposed to do, but for some reason you just can't progress to those promises that were promised to you with all your purchases up until now. Now, our main sole purpose on this training here today is to break this barrier, which we like to call the success barrier, once and for all, so you can have a swift and smooth transition to the top. Now, on behalf of Dr. Amit and the team, I always like to say, if you're struggling right now, don't beat yourself up too much. It's not your fault. There's just a lot of empty promises out there, products with weak support. You've seen it. It's a jungle. I always make sure, especially for our beginners in the house, do your due diligence, right? Don't fall for the guru trap. There's no push button, get rich in a millisecond. Make sure that you're always dealing with the right people. And it's safe to say today, you struck the jackpot, since we have not only Tim Verdouw, we have Dr. Amit, and I have the pleasure of being part of the team. For those of you that know me, my name's Rahim, and I think I already see a couple of familiar names as well. Good to have you guys here. Now, with that being said, let's dig into some core principles. And principle number one that I want you to understand is the principle of leverage, right? The easiest way to get more leads and sales is by leveraging done-for-you proven marketing funnels. Guys, I hate to break it to you, I love you, but you don't have time to figure out what converts, what test this, test that, figure out how to build this, how to build. Use proven converting funnels and plug them into your business and then tweak accordingly. Right? That's the fastest way. If you're starting from scratch, you're literally falling behind or putting yourself behind from the get-go. So that's one thing that we're going to help you out with today, making sure you immediately have that advantage that you're in the field right away, being able to produce a converting funnels for yourself with the ease and the click of a button. Now, second of all, really important is not only the easiest, but the fastest way to get more leads and sales is by being able to produce converting funnels